In front of me is TCL 40R, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to click on System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, hit text correction and use this switcher next to show suggestion strip to activate it. Then go back, and to use it, click on all of those options at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!